Hey, welcome to the 4th of July. This is another my vlog again. This is the Naked Mixology and this is the chef of the Wyndham, Chef Philip. This is all Philip. Philip. The famous chef in the island. What is that?
We're having corn dog and mac and cheese right here, right?
Yeah, okay.
Everything is freshly cooked on the barbecue.
All right.
You see a nice bone on the cob, fresh, right?
Rice and beans.
The world famous fried snapper. Oh, barbecue wings.
It's ready for tonight.
Some nice ribs.
So we have a fireworks tonight also over here by the dock. That's going to start at 8:30. There's the guy.
Gonna soon busy today.
Yeah.
Ah, sir. Ilayin na yung tani ba? Ilayin na ba yung kinupkano ko ba yung
Huh?
kinupkano?
So there's a griller tonight. So that's gonna be here with Chef Anthony. That's it for now. I have the cut. Then we're gonna continue later on. All right. And don't forget to subscribe my Naked Mixology channel, my YouTube channel, my Facebook page Naked Mixology, and then my IG. So thank you. Lami is back again playing with us over here. So that's Lami. After many years, he's back and playing with us. He's a legend in the island. He's a best singer in the island. Happy 4th of July. Cheers.
Cheers, everybody tuning in. Once again, back at the Reef with some good friends. And we're enjoying it each time. Good friends.
Oh my. It is the 4th of July. It's busy outside right now.
Just like a mighty train.
That's like Flor de Caña. Hi, Josh. Fireworks. Jody! This is going to be the fireworks for the 4th of July. What is this? That's Jody. Merry Christmas. By the word, it's raining over here. See that? See that? There's another fireworks at the bird. But it's raining right now. That's it. This is the 4th of July. Hey! Happy 4th of July. This is it. It's the end of the night. It's the 4th of July.